Happy Madaraka Day, guys. Let's spend the day together. It is a holiday and there is no better way to celebrate it, so let's head to Titanic Beach Resort so that we can spend the day over there. And by the way, guys, did you know that there are several beach hotels in Ruiru along Thika Road that you should visit? Take it back. We have now branched to Tall, where these beaches are located, so let's get there.
You want my forgiveness, so say it again. You're my thunder, my darkest night.
I'm seeing some water, so this is a sign that we are close to the beaches.
'Cause it's too late, your time is up. Damage done and now it's stuck. 'Cause it's too late, you roll the dice and now.
This is one of the beaches known as the 3S Gardens Hotel.
I'm in a better place now.
Approaching another one known as the Rock Beach Resort.
Sorry, gonna be the lonely one. I'm in a better place now. I'm not gonna worry, no. I'm not even sorry, you're gonna be the lonely one. Say it again, say it again.
Then the Mystical Garden.
It again. Only you can do that. My heart was open wide. I could feel it break.
Then one of my favorites known as the Flow Garden.
'Cause it's too late, your time is up.
And we are finally at the Titanic Beach Resort, so let's get there.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never.
So let us check out the views. Oh my god, this place is beautiful. Look at those views.
This time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
So this is me having my moment, because why not? Yeah, look at that chick, she's so beautiful.
Back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same.
So we have ordered for some drinks as we wait for the Nyama Choma to get ready. So let's chill and enjoy the breeze.
The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Finally, the Nyama Choma is here, and today I'm rating it 6 out of 10.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Guys, we've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Thank you so much for your support so far. Thank you for the subscribers. Thank you to the ones who leave their comments. Thank you for the likes. And let's see you on the next one. Bye bye.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.